Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Cork Factory Hotel. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free parking, free Wi-Fi, restaurant, fitness center, facilities for disabled guests, 24-hour front desk and a bar. Located in Lancaster, this historic hotel provides spacious rooms with exposed brick walls. It features the Cork Cap Restaurant and is 6 miles from the Dutch Wonderland family amusement park. Guest rooms at the Cork Factory Hotel provide free Wi-Fi. Each boasts a granite bathroom, large desk and a refrigerator. The hotel is situated in a restored factory and includes a gym. Guests can also relax on the terrace. Seasonal cuisine and Pennsylvania Dutch dishes are available at the Cork Cap Restaurant in the Hotel Cork Factory. The Cork Factory Hotel is nearby Pennsylvania Dutch country and Amish farmlands. The Lancaster Museum of Art is less than 1 mile away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.